Hello and welcome back to another episode of the House Hunny. Hello, hi, how you doing? Today we're going to be looking at another manufactured home. You guys really loved the manufactured home tour that I did before that's on my channel, and that one was pretty simple. It wasn't furnished, there wasn't really much going on with it, but today I'm actually looking at a full furnished manufactured home. So this is the Birchwood. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is by Dutch Housing. The lot that I'm actually at is called Timberlake Homes. The link will be down in the description for you guys to see, but oh my gosh, take a look at this home. It is so cute. It's furnished. As you can see, the decor is, I like it. It's cute. It's cute. It's better than the last one that we did. And because you guys love that one so much, I said, let me give these people what they want. So please like the video, subscribe. If you love home tours as much as I do, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get back into this home. So this is the living room that I am now in. Check out these hardwood floors that I love. The hardwood floors are throughout. That is an optional feature. As you can see, they're still working on some of the things in the home. You'll see it throughout. They're working on stuff, but for the most part, it is done. I love these custom shelves, these built-ins. They're barn house doors. You can slide them open, slide them closed, and you can have just different decor for whatever mood you're feeling. And that's custom wood. I don't know my wood's real good just yet, but dare I say oak? Let me not say anything because there's so many different woods. I don't know. But it's cute. And then here's the living room. Lots of natural light. You have a sliding back door, patio door, in case you want to build a nice patio out there, a nice deck. This is the kitchen. I actually fell in love with the kitchen. I love that wood countertop. It feels very cabiny. And even the oak, the wood, I really need to take some time and learn all of my woods. I gotta get into this decor and really analyze and figure out what the heck is this thing made out of. All of the homes, really. Some of them I can tell, but I'm so new to this that I'm just like, it's all beautiful. That's what I do know. Backsplash tile. Nice, pretty white tile. I love that. You guys, I drove like 3 hours just to get to these houses. And so I hope you really, really love the video. They are so nice. You guys snapped on my other manufactured home tour. Like it's crazy. For my 4th video ever posted, I think that's really good. Here's the bathroom, the secondary bathroom. Nice. Again, you get a big, huge tub right on in there. Stay until the end, you guys. Stay with me, okay? Trust me, you're gonna want to stay with me because I saved the master for last. And you're gonna want to see that master bathroom. I'm telling you, there's so much to see before that anyway, but I really did save the best for last. Not even joking. It's so nice. Utilities closet that was. This is the laundry room, as you can see, but nice, pretty spacious laundry room. I think this is a double wide, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, pretty sure it's double wide. Nice bedroom sizes. They were pretty generous with the space in this home. had one subscriber, she said it didn't really seem like I was a fan of modular homes from the last one. I am so sorry if I came across that way. I was just taken back. That one, I thought it was going to be furnished, but this one is. And so I was really able to see everything kind of come to life. And, you know, this one's obviously more modern. If you haven't seen that one, go check out that one. But this one blew me away. This was my second ever manufactured home tour ever, and there's many more to come. I drove all the way out there so that I could get these videos, and I promise they are on the way. So here's some more storage, and this is right here by the front of the house. Check out the website if you love touring model homes. If you love this model home tour, like the video, I really appreciate it. And okay, we're going into the master. I love this master bathroom. Not a fan of that bedding. Haven't seen one of those since, you know, staying the night at Big Mama's house back when I was a kid, but you know, whatever. Let's just go on into the bathroom. Look at this bathroom, you guys. This is so cute. It's light and airy and it feels really fresh. But look at the tub. Look at the tub. I swear I could fit two of me in there and have a good old time. A good clean old time. Wink wink, nudge nudge, cough cough. Now there's not a separate toilet area, but I mean, still got the space. You got the shower too, but it's separate. Got some shelving in there. Went ahead and just, yeah, there's some seating. Are those shelves or seats? Can you guys let me know? Because I always wonder. They come out far enough to where it can be. Look at the closet. Look at the closet. Look at the closet. Nice space. They have stuff there. Just ignore it. But look at the closet size. But those shelves in the shower, are those shelves or seats? I don't, or both. Is it multi-purposed? I really don't know, and I don't want to be incorrect when I call it shelves. So let me know. But anyway, that was the beautiful Birchwood that I loved so much. That fireplace was fire, huh? No pun intended. Alright, you guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys on another episode of the House Hunny. Bye!